Which one of the following two sentences is correct? Number 1. Last week we discussed about sentence writing errors. Sentence number 2. Last week we discussed sentence writing errors. Which one of these two sentences is correct? In English, there are common verbs that can be followed by the preposition about. በእንግሊዘኛ ከነሱ ቀጥሎ aboutን የሚወስዱ ምኖች አሉ ቨርቦች አሉ ከነዛ መካከል the first one is complain. So you can say complain plus about ማለት ትችላላችሁ. For example, you can say I will complain about your poor services. So in this sentence we have complain about. ማን መጣ ማለት ነው ከኮምፕሌን ቀጥሎ about መጣ ማለት ነው The next one is you can say learn about plus about It is possible to use the preposition about after the verb learn ከlearn ቀጥሎ aboutን መጠቀም እንችላለን The next one is let me give you an example Last week we learned about sentence writing errors. So this is correct. This is possible and it is acceptable. The third one is talk about. Talk is a verb and it can be followed by the preposition about. Last time I talked about English grammar. So as you can see there is talked that is followed by the preposition about. And finally, you can say think about. Think is the other English verb that can be followed by the preposition about. So you can say, I am thinking about you. Think ቀጥሎ ማን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ about. I am thinking about you. I am thinking about my mother. I am thinking about my dad. I am thinking about my courses. I am thinking about እያላችሁ ብዙ አረፍተ ነገሮችን መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ However, this rule is not applicable for the verb discuss. ነገር ግን ይሄ ለዲስከስ አይሰራም አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሰምታችሁ ከሆነ discuss about የሚለው አለ አይደል ለምሳሌ last week we discussed about sentence writing errors. This is not correct because the verb discuss cannot be followed by the preposition about. We cannot say discuss about. ዲስከስን እንደ verb ነው የምንጠቀመው ከሱ ቀጥሎ ምን ሊመጣ አይችልም ነው the preposition about ሊመጣ አይችልም So ጥያቄ ከጠየኳችሁ which one is correct ያልኳችሁ last week we discussed about sentence writing errors ሁለተኛው ማን ነበር ያልኳችሁ last week we discussed sentence writing errors which one is correct about የሌለበት ትክክለኛ ነው ወይንም የሁለተኛው ትክክለኛ ነው ምክንያቱም aboutን ከዲስከስ ጋር መጠቀም አንችልም You always after discuss there must be an object So you have to say last week we discussed sentence writing errors መምህር ከሆናችሁ ለምሳሌ Today we are going to discuss ትሉና የምታስተምሩትን ርዕሰ ጉዳይ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው ተማሪዎችም ከሆናችሁ ደግሞ ምን ትላላችሁ ለምሳሌ what did we discuss last week ብሎ መምህሩ ቢጠይቃችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ last week we discussed ብላችሁ ሳምንት ዕለት የተወያያችሁበትን ርዕሰ ጉዳይ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው So here are some examples last week we discussed about sentence writing errors This is not correct because we cannot use the preposition about with the verb discuss ትክክለኛ አድርጋችሁ ጽፉት ምን ይሆናል last week we discussed sentence writing errors ብላችሁ ታስተካክላላችሁ The next one is in this video we will discuss about the verb discuss This is not correct because I have the verb discuss but after discuss there is about there is a preposition about As I said earlier we cannot conjugate the preposition about with the verb discuss aboutን ከዲስከስ ጋር ስለማንጠቀም የሐረፍተ ነገር ትክክል አይደለም ማለት ነው ስናስተካክለው ምን ይሆናል In this video አለና we will discuss the verb discuss ብላችሁ ታስተካክላላችሁ ማለት ነው። The next one is the deans have already discussed about your promotion. This is not correct because we have the past participle discussed, but after the past participle discussed there is about. As I said earlier, if you use discuss, the verb discuss, it cannot be followed by the preposition about. So correct ስታደርጉት ምን ይሆናል? The fixed version of that statement is the deans have already discussed your promotion ብላችሁ ታወራላችሁ ማለት ነው። However, if you use discussion, ነገር ግን ዲስከሽንን የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ከዲስከሽን ቀጥሎ ማን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? Aboutን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። Discuss, discussion. Discuss is a verb, discussion is a noun. Discuss verb ነው። discussion ምንድነው? ስም ነው። ከዲስከሽን ወይንም ከስሙ ቀጥሎ ማንን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? Aboutን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። For example, discussion about my promotion must be held. Discussion about my promotion must be held. Discussion about. In this context or in this sentence, discussion is used as a noun. In addition, you can say, I hope you held discussion about the crisis. I hope you held discussion about the crisis. Discussion is a noun, so it is followed by the preposition about. ለምንድን ነው ከተባላችሁ ምክንያቱም discussion noun ስለሆነ ከሱ ቀጥሎ ማን መጠቀም እንችላለን? Aboutን መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት ነው። So finally, do you like the discussion about? Okay, if you like the discussion about, let me know in the comment section below. ስለዚህ ሁልጊዜ ማሰብ ያለብን ምንድነው? ዲስከስን ከአባውት ጋር መጠቀም አንችልም። we cannot say discuss about ማለት አንችልም። ዲስከስ እንልና ፕላስ ናውን ነው የምንጠቀመው። ነገር ግን ናውን ከሆነ ዲስከሽን ከሆነ ግን ማን መጠቀም እንችላለን? we can use the preposition about. So do you like the discussion about? Okay, if you like it, let me know in the comment section below. By the way, subscribe ካላደረጋችሁ please subscribe አድርጉ። subscribe ያደረጋችሁ ቪዲዮውን ላይክ አድርጉልኝ፣ ሼር አድርጉልኝ። Thank you very much indeed. See you soon.